The seasons are changing, and like always, the real estate market is too. As we fall into the next season, let's see what the market has in store for us. I'm Bill Kuklinski with the Home Premier team, and this is the September Market Update. Falling into autumn, the September new listings dropped 21% from 881 homes to 696. Pending sales dropped almost the same percentage, with 20.5% decrease from 769 homes to 611. Falling along with the autumn temperatures was closed sales, starting at 859 homes last year, but dropping 15.9% to 722 homes this year. Alternatively, still feeling the summer heat, days on the market rose from 16 days to 17 days, or 6.3%. As the seasons are officially changing, inventory took a 15.7% decrease this month from 937 homes to 790. The month supply of inventory also fell 7.7% from 1.3 months to 1.2. The average sale price increased as well by 9.6% from $307,593 to $337,112. The changing marketplace has challenged buyers in the areas of affordability due to increased monthly mortgage rates and payments, as well as lower than normal inventory. The ever-shifting market is predicted by experts to show signs of slowdown, both with more days on the market and a trend toward stabilization of price growth in the months ahead. How are the latest trends affecting you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.